Bitcoin, could it serve the three roles of money? So means of exchange, what we use every day to buy things, store of value, like gold, and unit of account. Would prices be quoted in terms of Bitcoin? Chris Berdinsky was our first analyst on Bitcoin, wrote the paper, Art read it, and added to it enormously in terms of economic theory, which was great for us. And then he said to us, he said, "This is what I've been waiting for since the U.S. closed the gold window in 1971. A rules-based global monetary system like Bretton Woods under the gold exchange standard." And I said, "Art, that's a very big idea. How big is it?" And he said, "Well, how big is the monetary base of the U.S.? Back then it was $4.5 trillion, and Bitcoin's market cap or network value was $6 billion. And I said, "Okay, that's a very big idea." And we were trying to get it into our portfolios. Regulators were hesitant, but I bought it right then for myself and haven't sold it, and I'm very happy with it.
You bought it for yourself personally?
Personally, because
what
we
price?
couldn't buy it. $250. So we couldn't buy it back then, but we finally got through the regulatory process. And we were able to put, the New York Stock Exchange said, okay, you can put a 1% position in the portfolio. And it was of a grantor trust called GBTC. So we did, and we just never sold it. They didn't tell us we had to keep it at 1%. So.
Oh, it's risen to be more.
Oh, yes, it ballooned.
And what is it about Bitcoin that you believe was and is still a good investment opportunity for the average person?
Yes. So at this price, it's about a $2 trillion market cap. And so halfway to that original $4.5 trillion, but our price target actually has expanded since then because it's not just a global monetary system. It is a new asset class. And that's a very big idea as well. What makes a new asset class? And we haven't had one truly since equities in the 1600s.
When you say a new asset class, you mean a completely new category of
funding
asset
companies, yes, okay. Right?
So an asset class would be something like technology is an asset class, right?
No, it would be like stocks, bonds, commodities, real estate.